Good day, everyone. It's me again, Ahmed Saleh, Revolution, and I'm here with you just to recap about the latest status of Bitcoin. I hope that it will make things more clear. On 11th of January, I just put a tweet saying that Bitcoin has another fifth wave, which needs to be done and still given to me. So that's why I believe that Bitcoin is still in bullish period. Use only a correction. Maybe this area is redistribution until it's finished. Then it will go up with 5. Okay? So this is the tweet. You can go back to my account on Twitter and you can find out about it more. Let's move it now. And this I will go through this very fast. So just to explain my theory. Okay. Now, first of all, let's go to cycle 1. This is showing you that we have been through 3 cycles. And now we are in cycle 2. This is cycle 1, this is cycle 1, cycle 2, and cycle 3. And this is the start of Bitcoin. This is called Bitcoin Index. From the beginning of Bitcoin trading, which is in 2010, 12th July 2010. And from here we started the Bitcoin moving to $22 from almost 0.5 cents. So this is the first bearish market. The bearish market, the first one, ABC. Inside it, of course, there is inside these candles, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. This is a weekly. Yeah, and by the way, this is the Fibonacci. That's the normal. Okay. The actual candles are here. So 1, 2, 3. Then we have ABC. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then bullish. Right? Let's see what does this mean. Why I put that on 11th of June or 11th of January. Sorry for that. First of all, let's see this area. Why I highlighted this area. Okay. Yeah. And this is the area which is now we are in. The current area which is now 35 or something. This is the same area between 1.127 and 169. So let's see the Fibonacci of this area. This is the first reversal for the Fibonacci. Let's see where is it? 161, 141, 127. 161 in the 3. Then for distribution over here, so it went down, downtrend, then it hit the 141, went up a little bit, then it went down again to 127, up to 161, down to 141, then to the last all-time high. Where is it? 227. And this I highlighted it with this one. See, this arrow. 227, and this area is 127, 141, and 160. Great. So I'll remove the Fibonacci so there must be a missing for everyone to see. Now we'll go for cycle 2. This is cycle finished now. This is bear market. Yeah. Until the start of so it's here. So this is actually it should be here. Okay, so until here, then it becomes the bull market. Okay, I open up here, the last all-time high, bull market. Where are we in wave 2? See? Exactly the same area, 127. 141, 161. Maybe the behavior is different. The first time it went to 161, 141, then again to 127, then again to 161, then again to 141, then it went up here, this one, see? But now here's a bit different. Why? Because it hit 141, to 127, and then directly to 161, 141, then to the top. See, it's a bit different. You know, the candles are different. It's like this one's like zigzag, and this is like an M. If you see, if you note now the currents, it went up, it came down to 127, and then again it went up. And in our case, it came down again to this area. It formed an M letter. But here, no, it was an N and up. Same thing here. It passed the 161, and when did it hit? 227. Exactly 227, the all-time high. See? I'm not bringing anything from my pocket. It's the Fibonacci, is that the analyst says that, and this is the Elliott wave. Okay, some people will say it's not necessarily it will follow the same, but I have other analysis that proves my theory as also. So we'll go through it at the end. I don't want to waste your time. All right. So again, I'm highlighting the places. I'll remove this. This is the one. This area is 127, 141, and see, it's exactly. It bounced back and went to the all-time high. Now, let's go now for this bear market and see where are we exactly. Here are we? We are exactly in the same area of this one. Yeah. Exactly. When it went to the 464, came down to the 29 and 28, then again to 161, and now it's going to 127. I still didn't break it. Now, if you remember here, it was an N, and here it was an M, N again, but it's supposed to come down. Now here it came down, hit a double top, and it came down. And this is understandable actually, because the people, they changed their behaviors, because the people, they started predicting. The bigger chart you have, the more chance you have to predict the future analysis better. Yeah. So even those, the whales and the market makers, they understand this. So they have to change their behavior somewhere, where the people, they will think that it's going down, but actually it's going up, or vice versa. The people will think it's going up and it will just break down, and so on. Many people, they thought that it's going up to here, up to the last all-time high, so it will be then bearish. But they changed their mind, or they just changed the plan or strategy, and they came down again. Now, I will not believe that it's a bearish market until it's break this 127 by few candles, and then it goes down. Yeah. And it's supposed to be by moving average. If you remember one of my videos, always it hits 200 moving average on weekly and bounce back. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Always. So now I'm expecting, if there's a bearish market, it's on 20, 19, 20, something like that. If it goes below that, then it's unpredictable. And we need to reevaluate the Bitcoin and its movements. Maybe it will happen, but let's go now on with what we have. True? So if Bitcoin, well, this is the area. I'll remove the Fibonacci because I have all the indicators that are here. Yeah. So if we are in this area and it didn't pass it also, see, it's still within the same range. It's still within the same range from May, and now again over here, and it is daily, it is bullish. Yeah. Now this is number one. Number two, if you remember, see, where is the RSI? The RSI didn't come here only when it was on a bearish, bearish market. Yeah, it came here also. It hit it here when it was the coronavirus, but here on May, when it was over moving average 50, it was here. It was around 38 or 40. Now it's below that. It's even worse than this one. If somebody see this RSI, will think that this is a bearish market. But until where? This area. So where it will be here, 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 this one of these areas. This will be a bearish market. So just think of it. That's what I mean. Until the Bitcoin does not prove the opposite, I still believe that the 32 and 33 and 31, they are the reversal diversion of Bitcoin to going to all-time high, which should be this one, which should be here. I will not sure, I mean, even if you see it, it's 215K, but not necessarily, because there will be lots of up and down over here. I don't know when it will reach over here in 6 months, in 1 year, in 2 years. I don't know. I cannot predict this. Yeah. But I can predict here when I go daily and 4 hours, I can say when it will bounce back over here. They will do this later. So this is my theory, right? The only positive, negative point over here I have is that the weekly is trading below 50. Yeah, usually if it's not a bearish a bear market, it will just hit on the 50 and bounce back. It happens all the time. When it goes below, when the candle goes below 50, then it is a bear market. See? Here the same, but with that one, even the 20 should go below 50. Maybe a matter of time, I don't know, but still the moving average 20 is above 50. Still, I believe that it might bounce back and go up. Yeah, but this candle, these candles below 50 is the only negative sign for me. Otherwise, everything is even supporting that it's bouncing back and going up. This is the red one is statistic, and this one is the RSI. Usually the statistic is faster than the RSI. Yeah, that's why it goes up and down faster than RSI. And because it is on the top of the RSI, so it is a negative sign. But once it becomes like this one, it goes above the RSI, like this one, so it will be a bullish. Yeah, here, bullish over here. It was giving a sign that's descending. See? Was giving a sign that I'm descending, I'm going down. From here it's going. See, this is 69. Before that gave you. But usually people, they go after the 50. See here? The people, they quit the market because sometimes it's bounced back before the 50. But here the 50, let's say, here the 50. So here the 50. So the people, maybe they could quit over here. See, on that. On this one, 52, or here, somewhere here. If it goes below the statistic, then you just quit the market. And you can measure that in daily, for example. If you go for the daily and you see that over here, it's below, the 20 is below 50, then you quit somewhere here on 60s, 60, 61, 62, somewhere here. And if you go even 4 hours, you can even expect it better. See? See here, it even give you a sign of death cross. See this one, this sign is death cross. So you could quit when it goes below, the 50 goes below 200, and where you can quit at 61. See, even better place for you to quit. And even here, you can quit here, which is 63. So, I mean, if you want to quit a market, take the signs. So these signs, for specifically for scalpers, it's an exit sign. These signs, see, going below, especially for daily and 4 hours and weekly, these are negative signs. So you better quit. Even if it bounced back like this one bounced back, you can enter over here again. You quit here, for example, it goes up, you enter here, again here, you quit here. It will be maybe break even. It came down on 100, it went up again. You can enter here. Then again, you go on the RSI. True? Right? So this is how I see the Bitcoin, and this is why I believe that Bitcoin is still in bull market. The other thing that I want to share it with you, I will remove this for a while. Let me just make it dimmer. I want to show you something in my mind. Now, if you are aware about the Wyckoff action price list or the Wall Street cheat list, usually Bitcoin, or not Bitcoin, any currency, this is accumulation area. This is reaccumulation area. These are distribution area. And this might be this one, might be this is the distribution area. And this is the redistribution, or it might be this one of these two. And this is the same pattern is going, see? Same pattern. It's doing the same thing over here. Then here is accumulation again and up. Then reaccumulation, up, distribution, down, redistribution, or this one redistribution. Then here again, accumulation. This is very obvious. So this is my theory, and this is what I think. The other thing that I can tell you is that let's go to the weekly and think. Let's be a little reasonable. All right. See the difference in wave 5. This is cycle 1. Let's see how much is it approximately. Yeah. So we are talking about, actually it is more 113. Though I didn't take it from the bottom, but it's around 113 to 16. I checked it before. Yeah. So we have at least 15x, 1,500% here, wave 5. This to the all-time high, I mean, on that cycle. What about this one? 1,000%, 10x. Now, what about now? Some people, they tell me that this is a bearish market, and the last one was this one it was wave 5. Yeah. So this is wave 5. I don't know how they calculated that. So this is wave 5. Yeah. So let's not wave 5, the difference between those wave 5 and this one. But let's assume that this is wave 5 and this is now it's a bear market. How much is it? Hmm? 110. Only 1x. At least make it 4 or 5 up to here. 100,000, 150. Yeah, at least somewhere that you believe that from wave 4 to 300, 3x or 4x or 5x, it's just going beyond 100K. So then it will go back to the bear market. So this is why, this is my theory. I showed you whatever I have, and the call is yours, my friends. I hope that this video will help you to measure Bitcoin better, and it will help you to make your decision better. If this is an accumulation area, then you have a decision to enter the market or not. For me, the only thing that it will change my mind, that it will break below the 30K and stay there, close there, and to close 2 or 3 candles, then I will make sure that there is a diversion and Bitcoin's attitude. From there, I'll start reanalyzing the coin, and I will see where it might go. It might go to 15, to 10,000, 6,000, I don't know. Then it will be another analysis for it, all right? But guys, before I leave, watch it out, see where the Bitcoin will head. Yeah, 215. Okay, because I cannot see that over here, but it is almost. It's somewhere in the 200s. I checked it in the Fibonacci, see? I checked it in the Fibonacci, it is almost somewhere in the 200. Okay, I don't know if it will go or not, but it is, see, it's around 195 or 200. So I hope that this is true. Thank you very much, guys. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.